Blessed morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today is the 12th lecture of chapter 6 application of derivative and exercise was going on 6.4. In previous lecture I have discussed exercise 6.4 question number 1. So today I will start with question number 2. So let us start. Now question number 2 is find the approximate value of f of 2.01 where fx is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. This is the question number 2 of NCERT exercise 6.4. So come to the solution. Solution. First of all, the given function is fx is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. First of all, you have to differentiate. F dash x result you will get 8x plus 5. Consider equation 1. And we have to find out f of 2.01. So since you know the formula, f of x plus del x is equal to f of x plus f dash x times del x. And this one also can be written as commutative property with respect to multiplication verified. So del x f dash x. So this is the formula. So we have to find out f of 2.01. F of 2.01 can be written as f of 2 plus .01 and this one can be written as f2 plus f dash or del x. Del x value is 0.01 times f dash x means f dash 2. So you have to calculate f2. When you will put 2 at the place of x in equation, consider 1. In equation 1, when you will put x is equal to 2, you will get f2, and f2 result will be 4 4 ja 16 plus 10, 26 plus 2, that is 28 plus 0.01 multiply by f dash 2. This is the value of f dash x. So f dash 2 will be 2 8 ja 16 plus 5, 21. So this result is 28 plus 0.21, and the result is 28.21 is the answer. So this formula you have to use. And for the function fx you have to calculate f dash x. Now you have to calculate f2 and f dash 2. So this is the answer. Now come to the second question, means question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is find the approximate value of the function f of 5.001 where fx is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. So the given function First of all, you have to write the given function. The given function fx is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Then in second step you have to differentiate the function. So differentiate, result will be 3x square minus 14x. This is the differentiation. And now you have to write the formula. Since f of x plus del x can be written as f of x plus del x time f dash x. This is the formula. And similar way you can write f of 5.001 is equal to f of 5 plus 0.001, and this one can be written as f of 5 plus 0.001 multiplied by f of 5 dash. So now from this expression you can calculate f of 5, and from this f of 5 dash. So f of 5 result will be 5 to the power 3, that is 125, minus 25 sevens are 175, now plus 15, and now at the place of x you have to put 5. So 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75. This is 75 minus 14 into 5, result is 70. So its result is 140 minus 175, that is minus 35, and its result is 5. So f of 5 result is minus 35 and plus 0.001 multiplied by 5. So result you will get minus 35 plus point its calculation I am writing here, minus 35 plus 0.005. So result, what you will get the result, plus minus minus, so it will be minus, so 34.995 with negative sign. This will be the answer. See, now come to the next question. Question number 4 is, this is question number 4 of NCERT. Find the approximate change in volume V of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%. So first of all consider a cube of side x meter. This is given x meter. This is the cube of side x meter. So its all dimension will be x. Solution. Given the side of cube, that is x meter, therefore volume of cube V is equal to, that will be x cube. volume of cube will be x cube. Now we have to calculate change in volume. We have to calculate change in volume. Change in volume means dB. Change in volume, that is del V consider, and this is the question mark we have to find of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1 meter. It means this is the increment in x. So increment in x can say that is del x is equal to 1% of x. Its result will be x by 100. Since change in volume can be written as dV by dx time del x. Now you can make the formula, and from this expression dV by dx you can calculate, result will be 3x square. So at the place of dV by dx you have to write 3x square with the del x value is x upon 100, and its calculation will be 3 by 100 into x cube. This is the change in volume. So dV is equal to, or del V is equal to, you can say 3 by 100 times volume. This is the volume V. So what you can say? You can say this is the 3% of V, means volume is increased by 3%. So now you can write answer. Volume is increased by 3%. So this is the answer. Now come to the next question. Question number 5 is, now question is, find the approximate change in surface area of cube of side x meter. Means a cube is given and its surface area, suppose S, caused by decreasing x meter caused by decreasing the side by 1 centimeter. So 1%, not 1 centimeter. So the given a cube whose side is x meter, given a cube whose side is x meters, suppose this is the cube, x meter side, therefore surface area of cube, that is x is equal to 6x square. Consider equation 1. We have to find out the approximate change in surface area. Means surface area symbol S, so change in surface area, that will be del S. We have to calculate del S. So now, and side is decreasing by 1%. So change in x or change in side, that is del x is equal to 1% of x. This is x by 100. This is the change in x. Now since change in surface area, that is del S is equal to ds upon dx time del x, and ds upon dx from equation 1 you can calculate. ds upon dx will be 12x. So now change in surface area del S is equal to 12x into, this is the result, x by 100. So calculation is 12 by 100 x square. 12 by 100 x square. And now x is decreasing, so you can write minus sign. So minus del x will be here, so minus x. So minus 12 x square. And this change in surface area can be written as minus 2 into, or minus 2 by 100 into 6x square, and 6x square is the surface area. So this is del S is equal to minus 2 by 100 into S. S means surface area. So right here minus 2 by 100, yes, means surface area. So minus sign denotes the area is decreasing, and 2 by 100 denotes 2%. So area is decreased by 2%, or decrease in surface area you can say. Decreases in surface area is equal to 2%. Now this is the answer. Now see again, in this question we have to find the approximate change in surface area, and surface area symbolic representation, that is del S, and change in surface area del S. So change in surface area means del S we have to calculate of side x meter caused by decreasing the side 1%. So this is suppose a cube of side x meter, and volume is proportional to the side of cube. Side increase, volume increase, side decrease, volume decrease. So side is decreasing by 1%, so its volume or surface area will be decreased. So surface area of cube, you know formula, that is 6x square having side x, and when you will differentiate with respect to x, you will get ds upon dx result 12x. So according to question, change in side it is given del x is equal to 1% of x. Now this is decreasing, so you will write with negative sign, so minus x by 100. So del S is equal to, means change in surface area can be written as del S is equal to ds upon dx time del x, and ds upon dx result is 12x, and now del x result is minus x by 100. So 12x minus x by 100 result is minus 12x square by 100, and a minus 12x square by 100 in terms of surface area means 6x square we have to separate, So minus 2 by 100 into 6x square, and 6x square is the surface area S. Minus 2 by 100 denotes, minus denotes surface area is decreasing, and S denotes the surface area, and 2 by 100 denotes the percent. So decrease in surface area, that is 2%. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, if the radius of a sphere is measured 7 meter, radius of sphere is measured 7 meter with an error of 0.02 meter, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Means approximate error in calculating its volume means my question is dV is equal to question mark, and with an error, radius of a sphere measured as 7 meter means it is given r is equal to 7 meter, and its error means del r value is 0.02 meter. This is given. So we have to find dV means del V, and r is equal to 7 meter, and del r is equal to 0.02 meter with an error, or error is increasing or decreasing, don't know. Then you write r is equal to with plus minus sign 0.02. So first of all you will consider, or given a sphere of radius r meters, it is a sphere having radius r meter with center O, suppose. Then the volume of a sphere you can calculate by the formula of volume. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, and 4 by 3 pi r cube, when you will differentiate this equation or this volume with respect to r means radius, because radius varies, volume varies with radius. रेडियस वैरी करेगा तो वॉल्यूम भी वैरी करेगा, रेडियस डिक्रीज करेगा तो वॉल्यूम भी डिक्रीज करेगा. सो पैरामीटर इज आर. So differentiate with respect to r, result will be 4 by 3 into 3 pi r square, because r cube result is 3 pi r square, and 3 pi r square 3 will cancel out, result you will get 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is the dV by dr. Now del V, this is the approximate error in volume, approximate error in volume. This is the approximate error in volume, that is del V is equal to dV by dr into del r. So dV by dr result is 4 pi r square, and del r result is plus minus 0.02 meter, and this result goes to 0.08 pi r square. 4 multiplied by 0.02, result is 0.08 pi r square, and r value you know, this is 7 meter. So 7 7s are 49, this is 49 multiplied by 0.08, result you will get 3.92 pi cubic meter. Because volume is in 3D, so unit will be cubic meter. So this is the complete answer. Now see. Now come to the next question. Question number 7 is, this is of NCERT, exercise 6.4. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 meter, means it is given r is equal to 9 meter with an error of 0.03 meter, means del r is given 0.03 meter. Find the approximate error in calculating its surface area, means we have to calculate ds is equal to question mark. So first of all you will consider a sphere of radius r, a sphere of radius r. Now solution. Given a sphere of radius r. Therefore, surface area of sphere, that is S is equal to 4 pi r square. This is the formula. And radius or surface area is proportional to radius. So variable is radius. So you will differentiate with respect to r. So ds upon dr you will get 8 pi r, means 4 pi d by dr of r square, and you know this is 8 pi r. ds upon dr is 8 pi r. Now we have to calculate del s. Del s means you can say error in surface area, that is del s is equal to ds upon dr times del r, and ds upon dr, you know, this is 8 pi r into del r, result is 0.03, but this is error, increasing or decreasing, don't know, so you will use plus minus sign. So plus minus 0.03 meter, and r value, you know, r is equal to 9 meter. So 9 8s are 72 pi multiply by plus minus sign 0.03, and multiply this, you will get the result. 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, decimal 2 place, means 2.16 pi meter square, and 2.16 pi meter square is the error in surface area. So this is the complete answer. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8 is if fx is equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5, then find the approximate value of f of 3.02. So first of all, you have to write the given function. Solution: the given function fx is equal to 3x square plus 15x plus 5, and when you will calculate f dash x from this function, so result you will get 6x plus 15. So leave it. Now we have the function, and you know the formula, f of x plus del x can be written as f of x plus del x can be written as f of x plus del x times f dash x. This is the formula. Now the given expression f of 3.02 I have to calculate. Now this one can be written as f of 3 plus 0.02, and this expression can be written by the formula, means f of 3 plus 0.02 multiplied by f of 3 dash. So from this expression you can find out f3. At the place of, and from this you can find out f3 dash or f dash 3. So f3 result, what will be f3 result? When you will put x is equal to 3, then you will get f3. So 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 32, 32 plus 15 3s are 45. That result will be 77. And at x is equal to 3, then 3 6 are 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15 result is 33. So you have to put this value. So f3 result is 77 plus 0.02 multiplied by 33, and the result is 77 plus 0.66, and this result goes to 76.66. 76.66 is the value. So this will be the answer, and this is optional question. So 76.66, option D is correct. Now come to the next question. This is the last question, question number 9. Question number 9 is the approximate change in volume of a cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 3%. So option is here. We have to mark a single option. Now question is the approximate change in volume of a cube of side x meter. Suppose let us consider a cube of side x meter, x. So what is given? Solution. Given a cube of side x meter and volume of cube and capital V with a volume of cube such that V is equal to x cube. We have to calculate change in volume, the approximate change in volume of a cube. This is the side and volume is proportional to the side. Side increase, volume increase. Side decrease, volume decrease. So you calculate dV by dx. First of all, result will be 3x square. Consider equation 1. And in this question, this is given x meter caused by increasing the side by 3%. It means, according to question, side is increasing by 3%, that is del x is equal to 3 by 100 of x, means result is 3x by 100. So this is the value of del x, and we have to calculate del v. Del v is the question mark. So del v is equal to dv by dx into del x, and this result dv by dx is 3x square with the del x result is 3x upon 100, and the result you will get 9 by 100 times x cube, means this is the volume of cube and this is the 9%, means dV is equal to 9% of V. V is the volume. So what is the result? Result is 9 by 100 x cube, means 0.09. This is the answer. Answer C. So now this is completed.